This is the living, living off the dead. We're scavenging those we kill for our own benefit. For our own benefit. For our own benefit.
I would like to fall upon a hill, looking up the sky. Oh, God, I'd love to fly. I would like to fall upon a hill, looking up the sky. Oh, God, I'd love to
The idea that we're going to be able to provide this kind of therapy for individuals in the United States is fanciful. This will be available to the wealthy and people who are willing to sell their homes, basically, to extend their lives. This is the living, living off the dead. I hate to say it so bluntly, but that's exactly what it is. This is the living, living off the dead. That's exactly what it is. I have concluded for my own life, given a choice between amputation and saving my life by the death of somebody else, you can just call me Gimpy.
I would like to fall upon a hill, looking up the sky. Oh, God, I'd love to fly.
You can just call me Gimpy.
I would like to fall upon a hill, looking up the sky. Oh, God, I'd love to fly.
For our own benefit.
God, I'd love to fly.
For our own benefit.
Oh, God, I'd love to fly.
This is the living.
God, I'd love to fly.
This is the living.
Oh, God, I'd love to fly.
Living off the dead.